angles. Different angle formation with lines. Interior angles, exterior angles, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, checking parallel lines. Interior angle. These are two lines and this is the region between two lines. This is the transversal made 4 angles with line AB and 4 angles with line CD. You can observe that angles 3, 4, 5, 6 are in the region between two lines. Such angles are called interior angles. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Exterior angles. The angles which are not in the region between two lines are called exterior angles. In figure, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles. Corresponding angles. A pair of angles in which one arm of both the angles is on the same side of the transversal and their other arms are extending in the same direction is called a pair of corresponding angles. Here, angle 1 and angle 5 is a pair of corresponding angles. There are another 3 pairs of corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. Corresponding angles have different vertices. They are on the same side of the transversal and they are in corresponding position, that is above, or below, left or right, relative to lines. If two parallel lines cut by a transversal, angles of each corresponding pair are equal in measure. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Alternate interior angles. A pair of angles in which one arm of each of the angles is in opposite sides of the transversal and the segment EF forms the second arm of both the angles is called a pair of alternate interior angles. In the figure, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6 are two pairs of alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles. This pair of angles is called alternate exterior angle. These two alternate exterior angles are in the exterior region and formed by the transversal and arms on the opposite side of the transversal. Angle 2 and angle 8, angle 1 and angle 7 are two pairs of alternate exterior angles. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, angles of each alternate angle pair are equal. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Similar way, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Checking for parallel lines. When a transversal cuts two lines such that pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines have to be parallel. When a transversal cuts two lines such that pairs of alternate interior angles are equal, the lines have to be parallel. When a transversal cuts two lines such that pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, the lines have to be parallel. Summary. Angles formed in interior region of two lines are called interior angles. Angles formed out of interior region of two lines are called exterior angles. Corresponding angles. A pair of angles in which one arm of both the angles is on the same side of the transversal and their other arms are extending in the same direction. Alternate interior angles. A pair of angles in which one arm of each of the angles is an opposite sides of the transversal and the segment EF forms the second arm of both the angles. Alternate exterior angles. A pair of angles in the exterior region formed by the transversal and arms on the opposite side of the transversal. So that is all about this lesson. Keep learning.